This is an ABC 7 editorial with Steve Sabato.
A very important civil liberty case is headed to the state Supreme Court. It has to do with the Florida Mental Health Act and whether judges responsible for competency hearings can preside via teleconference rather than in person. The controversy was prompted by Lee County Court Judge H. Andrew Sweat, who announced via email, without warning or explanation, that he would no longer be attending hearings. By way of background, the Florida Mental Health Act, usually referred to as the Baker Act, was named after Maxine Baker, a former state rep from Miami, who sponsored the bill, which became law in 1972. It is intended to protect the rights of mentally ill persons who lack the capacity to make well-reasoned decisions concerning their mental health treatment. If you are Baker acted without consent, you lose your right to make decisions about your own life. Pretty serious stuff. Among other basic civil rights, the Baker Act is intended to protect competent people from being locked up by greedy relatives or unscrupulous lawyers. Fortunately, the State Public Defender's Office is fighting on behalf of the little guy against the indignity of judges who can't be bothered to show up in court. Not only should the state Supreme Court rule in favor of their petition, we also need new judicial administrative rules that specifically require judges to preside over Baker Act cases in person, not on TV. New technology should not be used to circumvent the rights Maxine Baker fought to achieve over 40 years ago when she so eloquently stated, "In the name of mental health, we deprive them of their most precious possession, liberty." Shame on you, Judge Sweat. Your decision demeans the dignity of your position. Let's hope the state Supreme Court makes sure this cannot happen again. I'm Steve Sabato, and we'd like to hear from you.
The opinions expressed in this editorial do not necessarily reflect those of ABC 7's owners or management. If you would like to comment, go to our website, www.mysuncoast.com.